Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you about an important program that was conducted by the Indian Space Research Organization, and program name is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. So let's see the program overview. So IIRS Outreach Program. So what is the IIRS Outreach Program? So this is a program for the students who are doing undergraduate, postgraduate, or doing any work along with the degree. So if you are interested in space things like how the spacecraft, how the satellite was building, then this course is all about for you. Okay, so like central state private universities, academic institution, central state government organization departments, and research institutes and geospatial industries, NGOs, all the are able to listen in this program. Okay, so if you are interested in space things like ISRO, the many of you wants to do job in the ISRO, then this is a very great opportunity to do a program free of cost by the ISRO. Okay, and you will get the certificate after completing the program. Okay, let's see how to register in the program. So register for the program. I'll attach the link for this page for this program in the description, so you'll able to register in this program. Okay, so register the participant. So from here you will fill your details like name, email, okay, password. Make sure to create your password, a strong password. Okay, and all this after this you will receive email of confirmation. Okay, after this you will receive email of confirmation. Okay, congratulations. So from here you will able to enable or access your LMS means learning management system, so LMS of ISRO. So this is a LMS of ISRO. Okay, so course of space science, like I selected the space science course. If you are interested in any other course, then it's all up to you. Select other course or select this course. Okay, so this is the announcement section, and so this is a my course section. From here you will see your registered course. Okay, course name, IIRS Outreach Program, and this course is not started yet. So the announcement, not any announcement present here. So this is all about the course. So if you are interested, then please make sure to register in this program, and all the best. We'll meet in any other video, and thank you for the patience, and bye bye.